June 10th, 2025, and it's 4:25, and it's 95 degrees out. I get lawn mowed. I'm going to add some more water. Got the lawn mowed. I see Brandy jumping around. I was wondering why. Somehow her baby got out. I moved the cage over. So you have more grass to eat. I'm gonna repair it. Kids having fun. Ow! Sally ran in right into me. Yeah, you don't mess with the kid. I like these two grays. As soon as my wife gets home, see if I can't get Charlie to come down here and repair that dog kennel the baby escaped from. Brandy's kind of tore her up, trying to eat through it to get weeds, and I think the baby went under. Little girl's been all over the place. Went over there and seen her daddy. It's about 8:12 in the evening, and just got the water put on. Had a lot of stuff going on, so the water is now on the lawn, and I want to eat dinner and relax. So I'll catch you next time.